Welcome to my channel. NetGear Nighthawk BE9200 Wi-Fi 7 tri-band router setup. Unbox the router and plug in the power adapter. Connect the internet one port, usually marked in yellow or blue, to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Turn on the router. Wait for the LED lights to stabilize. Usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Wi-Fi. Check the label on the router, usually under it, for default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Ethernet. Use a LAN port and connect directly to your PC or laptop. Download the Nighthawk app, Google Play Store, Android. Open the app and follow on-screen instructions. Open a browser on your connected device, http://www.routerlogin.net or http://192.168.1.1. Log in with username admin, password. Default is usually on the router label, or try password. Setting a new Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Once setup is done, check for firmware updates. Reconnect all your Wi-Fi devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password you set up. Thanks for watching.